Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It is October 22nd, 6:35 a.m. It is 20 minutes till dawn, and we're going to do some Dome Keeper development today. But first, we need to warm up a little bit, and I'm going to do that by playing guitar like I usually do, and then we'll get cracking. If the rigors of modern life have left you stressed, take a long, slow breath and practice mindfulness. If there's any tension, let it go. Feel it from your head down to your toes. Say this mantra after me. 6, 6, 6 is the number of the beast. Feel the breath inside your body, warm and free. If you want to close your eyes and count to 3, know that you are perfect how you are. You don't need a halo or a heart. Say this mantra after me. 6, 6, 6 is the number of the beast. On occasion it may be helpful just to shout. Put on some of that devil music, dance it out. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right. Shake it like you're horny and it's Friday night. Shake it for your mama, shake it for the priest. Tell him that 6, 6, 6 is the number of the beast. Spooky Halloween music. That's 666 by Jeremy Messersmith. If you don't know Jeremy, you should go check him out. And 666 has a cool music video that he did just a couple of days ago. So yeah, go check out Jeremy Messersmith. Indie musician from the Midwest. Since we're doing Jeremy, let's play Tatooine. This is another one of his. This is a much older song. Twin sons of Tatooine taught me everything I know. Twin sons of Tatooine taught me everything I know. There's room up there for second chances. Singles are fine, but doubles are fantastic. I'd like to think there's a star for me and you, spinning round, falling for one another. Twin sons of Tatooine taught me everything I know. Twin sons of Tatooine taught me everything I know. solos are fine, but duets are romantic. A pair is grand, but a trio be disastrous. I'd like to think that there's a star for me and you, spinning round, falling for one another. Tatooine, Jeremy Messersmith. I don't know why, but that one reminds me of this one. This song's called Heavy Heart, and I think it's an Australian band called UMI. I don't know. I think they're Australian. I'm not sure. Been watching too much TV. I'm thinner than I should be. I'm like a waterlogged ball that no one wants to kick around anymore. An all-day morning hairdo that no comb can get through. It's all granola and beer, a calling card and a silk-cut souvenir. I miss you like sleep, and there's nothing romantic about the hours I keep. The morning when it starts, I don't look so sharp. Now I got a heavy heart. I talk a lot about football and girls I kissed in grade 4. I piss off my friends and dig in a hole just staring at the floor. Every t-shirt's got a wine stain. I'm loving cigarettes again. I know every tune about guys and girls and hurts and hearts and moans. I miss you like sleep, and there's nothing romantic about the hours I keep. The morning when it starts, I don't look so good. Now I got a heavy heart. It's just a low rent paying, palpitating pulp inside my shirt. But there's a weight that's got it hurts. I'm watching too much TV. I'm thinner than I should be. I'm like a waterlogged ball that no one wants to kick around anymore. I miss you like sleep, and there's nothing romantic about the hours I keep. The morning when it starts, oh, my heavy heart. Alrighty, let's get to work. Time to enter the domescape. Good old Thunderdome. Dome away from dome. We're doming it up. We're keeping the dome. We're dome heads. It's domalicious. That's good. That's fine.
you know, I picked the wrong freaking keeper. Let's try that again. Not yet available. All right, hold on. Dev mode. I don't know why I thought that would work. One more. One more. Oh, yes. Okay, this Keeper 2. This needs to be, that should be underneath it. Maybe this should be behind parent, like that. Yeah, that's better. Better. there's a hit condition there that's wrong. Tile hit. There it is. If charging ball and tiles in ball area dot size. What does this get called? Update ball charge. Update ball charge happens every physics frame, even if there's no ball charging. Ball rotation speed. Otherwise it hides it. Where does ball sprite get shown? There's play, creating. Yeah, it has to be, you have to have remaining shots greater than 0. Not inside the dome. That's where ball rotation speed happens. Yeah, it's got to check. Ball charge equals 0. Yeah, we have to check if and ball charge greater than 0, because otherwise you can dig without a pinball. I'm digging. But now I shouldn't be able to dig unless I have a pinball. Right, no pinball, no dig. But now it works. Nope. Oh, yeah. Come back. The assessor's growing on me. Hey, guy on the internet. You're a guy on the internet, I'm a guy on the internet. Hey, Funda Man. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the stream. All right. Let's see. Oops. Sorry, folks. Sorry about that. I'm like, what are you guys talking about? Peaced out. It's because I don't know how to use my computer. So I'm working on this. I've been working on this for the past 5 minutes. A circle that is going to appear here that's going to make this look a little blurry and cool. So to do this, I think I want to have like 3 frames, and I want to like erase part of it. So we're going to turn the opacity down on the eraser, way down. And then let's do, well, let's see, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so we want to go like erase that. Nope, turn off the symmetry. So we'll erase that. Not that much, like that, and like that, and like that. And then here we'll go like that. And like that. And like that. And then here we'll go doot, doot, doot. So we want to do here and go like that. And like that. And like that. See that? Let's change this into a animated sprite. Let's change it to ammo spin. Let's create the sprite frames. They're going to be in content. Keeper 2, player 1. That. It is 3 across, 1 down. Select all frames, add. Let's play it at 24. And play. Okay. I'm looking for the code now that makes these things follow this path. And I'm thinking it must be in like physics process. Let's see, it might be in here. Yeah. There it is, process. I think this code is all for just having the ammo follow the player. But it's not in here either. adds child here, but it's this ammo. Let's load up ammo scene. Ammo doesn't have a script. I'm just going to take all that away. What does it do now? Okay. So I'm saying goal position, relative move, get parent dot move. Okay. Okay. Okay, here's the current rotation. So this does the rotation bit. Yeah, so they're still following, doing that. This does the rotation bit. And so the current rotation is just based on the charge, blah, blah, blah. Current rotation. Yeah, so I could just put it right here. I could say, this is an ammo path, but it's here. I don't even think I'm using ammo scene anywhere. Taking so long. It's the worst thing about computers. Sometimes they take just a long time. Okay, so there's ammo path GD. I know that's being used, but ammo path scene not being used anywhere. So this was originally like supposed to be like an inherited scene, but it's not. I don't think I want to change that. So let's just say this is fine. And here we'll say ammo spin dot show or ammo spin dot hide, depending on ball charge, right? And this will be now what can ball charge be? What is the limit? In ball charge. Doesn't seem like there's a max. print it. Bling. Oh, just 0 to 1. Okay, easy peasy. So that's correct. We could do ease here like that. Yeah. And we could do a ammo spin dot play default. Let's call it spin. Let's be fun with our names. Let's call it spin. And we could say that. Just modulate a little bit more. I have it spinning the wrong way, of course. Of course I do. Can I just flip it like that, and like that, and like that? Yeah, that should work. And then here I can do yeah, and do that. That would be like that. All right, what if this was a little less transparent? What if it was even less transparent? Okay, I don't like that. Let's go with that, and then let's say this has a canvas item material and that it is on add mode. Not sure that's going to take unless I restart. Whenever you're messing with shaders, they have to get recompiled. They only get compiled sometimes. Yeah, that's better. Color's wrong now, though. Color is wrong. Does this not do... It should be fine. If I take that away, okay, colors are wrong. I shouldn't have to do style.init here. But, I mean, maybe. Let's say ammo spin dot, no, style.init, right? I mean, I'm asking you guys, right? But trust me, I think that's right. Let's load it again. Still, the color is wrong. Disconcerting. Not what I expected. Now the color's correct. Alright, fine, we won't do that. Alright, we want to change that a little bit. I don't want it to appear until the ball charge is at least that. And then I want alpha, I want a variable alpha equals that. I want this to be ooh. No. It goes from 0 to 1. So then it'll go from 0.5 to 1. If I subtract 0.5, it'll go from 0 to 0.5. And then times it by 2. But that isn't that the same as times 2 minus 1? So at 0.5, it'll be 1 minus 1 is 0. And then at 1, it'll be 2 minus 1, which is 1. And we can take the whole thing and go okay. Let's add a little noise to this guy. No settings on this thing. Kind of don't like adding opacity, blur, that sort of stuff. I just want to try and see how it looks. Don't like it. As predicted. Don't like it. Let's be more, what do you call it? More deliberate. Hey, Hector. Thanks for the bits. You rock. Awesome. No critters today. Hey, Sesh. Oh, are LD results in today? Hey, Neondactyl. Let's do another layer. And let me take this and do this and do this. Do this. That's not going to work. Drew it in the wrong layer, of course. Do that there. Let's go half. Do that. I need to copy it, paste it, and then let's switch the order of these. There we go. Too noisy. It's just too much. It's too much. It probably makes more sense to do this. Whoa. Nice to see your workflow, especially how you have set up that you can quickly evaluate the new effect. Thank you, Alkarurda. Welcome to the chat. Hey, Fisherman Cabin. It is Godot. Yep. It is Godot. Godot engine. Good old open source Godot. We're programming using a language called GDScript, which comes built in with Godot. It's the first class language that Godot recommends you use. Yeah, so noisy. I think I want to narrow this down. So let's say, yeah, I want to do something like that, where I just thin it out a little bit at the tail. Something like that. Oops. Something like that. Okay. And then a little bit of noise right there. Yeah. It's fine. Here we go. All right, let's try this. Infinitely better. Oh, so much better. Okay, I think we're cooking now. I think we are cooking with gas now. All right, I want to spin this thing as well. I'm spinning it, but I also want to spin it. So let's say ammo spin dot rotation equals current rotation. Let's do that. Yeah, let's just do that. I forgot that it's oblong. It's not, but fuck, that looks awesome. I forgot that it's oblong. It's not a circle. So if I spin it, it's going to look a little weird, and that's exactly what's happening. But shit, I think I love that. I think that looks awesome. Spin it faster. Spin it hella faster. How about that? Too much. Let's go extreme. Yeah, it really rounds it out. The faster you spin it, the more round it becomes, because you've got this persistence of vision issue where you're not seeing every frame, and it's starting to look a little messy. So if we just do that, well, let's do that. What's that going to do? Yeah, we need it really times pi or tau. Feels like it's going the wrong direction. Let's do negative. Oh yeah, baby. Let's go back to tau. Yeah, that feels good. I dig that. What do you think? let's do that. This magic number I want to go away. I need to put this back into a formula. So this will go from 0.75 to 1, and I want to change that to be 0 to 1. If I subtract 0.75, it'll go to 0.25 and then times 4. Which is 1 minus this. It's 1 over that. Minus that, right? There's got to be a way to simplify this expression. We'll do the math in a minute. We'll do the algebra in a minute. So if it's 0.5, then this becomes 1 over 0.5, which is 2. So that becomes times 2 minus 0.5. But it needs to be times 2. If this is 0.75, then that's times 4. It's that, isn't it? I think my math is wrong. If the threshold is 0, then this fails. If the threshold is 1, then this will fail. If it's 0.5, should this be minus thresh? So if it's 0.5, this will be from 0.5 to 1. That'll be the range. But now it'll be from 0.5. Now it'll be from 0 to 0.5. And then this will be times 2. So it'll go from 0 to 1. And if it's 0.75, then this will start at 0.75. It'll go from 0.75 to 1. This will go from 0 to 0.25 times 4. So it'll go from 0 to 1. Yeah, it's perfect. That way it just starts later. That's better. Easing functions. And let's change this to 0.9. I want it to fairly well obscure the balls. So let's just make it 1. We want to obscure our balls at all times. Right? We live in a civil society. For that, I get a follow. You subtract 0.75 first so that your range is from 0 to 0.25, then multiply by 4 to get the range. Okay, cool. Yeah, so we're doing the same math. It just took me longer to get there than you. Right? We subtract the threshold and then 1 over 1 minus, right? I'm going to look at this and see if there's a way to make that math even simpler. Let's see if we can reduce this equation a little bit, because I don't like how many 1s are in it. There may not be possible. But let's say let's call this x and t. So we have a t equals 0.75, and we have a f of x, which gives us our alpha, equals x minus t times 1 over 1 minus t, right? Can we simplify this? I mean, that would become x over 1 minus t over 1 minus t. I don't think we can simplify this. That becomes, yeah, you can't, right? It's just x minus t times 1 over 1 minus t. You just can't do it. Yeah, that's fine. So that's as simple as it gets. That's as simple as it gets. X minus t times 1 over 1 minus t times 1. Get it, get it, get it. I wonder if I increase the animation speed. Let's go to 30. Let's just increase it a little bit. Can you give me another ball? Two balls. 3 balls. Two balls. I think it still looks fine. 1 ball. Still looks fine. Can't charge anymore. think it looks okay. I think I might want to hide the balls though. And we could do that by saying ammo path, like that. And here we could do like that. The balls fade away until here, then they're back. And this handles the problem you were talking about yesterday, Cam, where you would like the balls to you would like one to disappear, right? And now you can't really tell, right? It kind of just is a trick of the eye. You've got two. You should only have one now because you've got one in your hand. And so there it is. Here's the one in your hand. And you've got 1, 2, 3 circling you. Who's to say? What do we think? Yeah, I dig it. All right, let's commit this. Let's commit this sucker. Where's our committer? I'm in my feature branch. I've got ammo path with our new blah, blah, blah. I've got the new sprite frames for our new ammo spin animated sprite. We've got the change here in the keeper. This was a bug fix. Let's commit that one first. So because this, oh, let's delete that. Let's delete that. Can I delete that? How do I delete that? No. Discard that line. Is that not? Okay, fine. Have it your way. Delete that. Okay, so this fixes fix digging when no balls. Boy, I want to commit this on master. Let's just switch back to master real quick. Let's do this. Let's do this in a funky way. I'm going to switch back to master. I'm going to bring my changes. I'm going to fetch and pull just in case anything's going on. Nothing's going on. I'm going to just do this. Fix digging with no balls. Commit. Push. Now I'm going to switch back here. I'm going to bring my changes again. I wish this was the default. Switch back. And then I want to let's, how come, why can't I stash these? Why not? Why can't I? I just want to stash them. Why not? Fine. Can I rebase? Let's rebase. This makes me really nervous because I have all these changes that aren't really staged, and I'm doing a rebase at the same time. It's really fucking making me itchy. Why is there a merge going on here? See, this is why I don't like using some of these tools, because they hide so much from you. They do a bunch of magic, and I would rather it not. How do I abort? Look at this. I have to drop down the command line. Tell me what to do, Git. I want to undo. I want to not do that. Okay. Now I want to just stash all this shit. Temp stash. Temp stash. Okay. Now I should be able to do my rebase pretty easily. So let's close that. And we'll do... abort rebase. Branch, rebase branch on master. There we go. So what a rebase does is it takes your branch and puts it on top of whatever other branch you want. It's like you're just doing the commits in a different order. So it just rewrites the history of this as if it happened after this. That's what I just did. Now I can pull my stash again. That. Get all my changes back. And this, I believe I can just say accept. I can discard these, I think. I think I can, because those are changes in master that I brought over. Reload. And I should still see, oh, come on. Do I not? All right, fine. Yeah, I messed it up. That's fine. We'll just add it back again here. Actually, but that's not right. That means this is wrong. Oh, no. I didn't want to do that. This was just the script change. It didn't change the... okay, I didn't need to... oh, fuck. It's fine. Ammo spin. See, Git is hard. That's all I'll say about that. Don't feel bad if Git confuses you. I think that was the only thing I added there. So now all this should still work. It's a good sign that it loads. Rocking and rolling. Here we go. So now I've got that. I've got that. I don't want that at all. I don't even know why it's bringing that up. Pinball animations. It's just moving it, isn't it? Yeah. I don't like it when it rearranges the resource files for like no reason. It's just taking it and moving it down a couple of lines. And for that, I just have a bunch of noise, and it's taking this, creating empty. It's creating. See, it moved creating down here, and empty. It swapped empty and creating. It's like, why are you doing this? It's just noise. So I'm going to ignore that. And let's, in fact, just discard it. And this, I don't want to commit. That's my new art. Where oh no. Oh, I put it here. What an annoying mistake. And how I already pushed this. I have. So there's no going back. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. I'm going to have all this done today anyway, and then I'm going to merge it anyway. So let's just get this over with. So this is spinning ammo blur. Like so. All right. Dome Keeper Juice Master. No balls. The client is a bit silly sometimes. You know he's itchy when he starts dropping the F-bombs. Yeah. Get good or get gone. Yeah. I mean, I think most of my problems are, it's not Git per se, but I keep wanting to use these clients and I keep hating them. So I'm just going to stop. I'm going to stop. The only Git client that I actually like are ones that don't do any magic. Or, let me take that back. They do some magic, but they do it right. But the problem I just had just now was I literally just committed the wrong thing to the wrong branch. That was my fault. I really love the JetBrains IDEs. So JetBrains has a fantastic, just the best Git client ever built in. It's fantastic. This one is really good. It does everything that you would need, but it's so hard to use. It's just a little clunky to use. This is fine. Let's see. CD Bippin Dome Godot. This is fine, but I can never remember the command for rebase. I just can't remember. And I'm looking at this and I'm going, I don't know. So I use a tool to rebase. And I like the GitHub desktop rebase tool. I do. It's very sane. You go to your branch and then you say rebase, and you pick a branch, and it goes, look, you're already up to date. You don't need to do it. Great. Or it says, hey, I'm going to put one commit from here on top of master. And you're like, great. And then you do it, and it's great. Everything's happy. This guy lets you do it if you can find the command. It's in here somewhere. Right? And then as soon as I click this, it does it. It doesn't give me any warnings. It's a little scary. So, I don't know. Then there's lazy git. If you're into this. I tried to use this, but I just keep getting lost. Like, where's my cursor? I don't even know. And then you have to memorize all these key commands. I mean, this is honestly, it's almost as hard as just learning the git command line. So, because you have to memorize all these keys. It's fine. Different strokes for different folks. It's fine. Let's move on. So, let's see. We've got yeah, we need something there. Charge up effect. We did some of this. Okay, so the other thing is there's a like little thingy. There's a thingy that appears behind the guy, right? See that blue area behind him? What the heck is that? Where is it? What is it? Okay, there's the charge pointer, and there's the charge. Okay, this these two things, charge central and charge pointer. These things I want to change a little bit. They're getting a little noisy. I mean, just in the editor here, it's a little hard to see what I'm doing. I want to hide these collision areas. Let's do that, that. There we go. Right. So charge pointer is this. It's this white sprite. And it has a no modulate on it, which is fine. And this is a white sprite. No modulate on it. If I change them, if I modulate them, here's a sprite, to this color, 0891B4. 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 Ow. Oh, my leg. Oh, God, I've been sitting on my leg this whole time. Like a fool. Okay, they're not changing color. It must be because... No? Am I here? No? Why are they changing color? To the code. Charge central. Okay. Charge pointer then. RGB. Yeah, it's changing these. Plus bundle charge 10.5, blah, blah, blah. Okay, this doesn't work. Let's delete that and delete that. Let's see where this texture is. Central charge and charge pointer. Okay. Dome. Godot. Content. Keeper. Keeper 2. Charge central. And pointer charge. And let's load our palette. And let's actually change those like that. Yeah, that's what I did. How do you like them apples? Still nothing. Doing the thing I didn't want it to do. It's not doing the thing I wanted to do. What if I do that? And then say... Come on, man. RGB here. Update bundle charge and update ball charge are both changing this modulation. But the color should be different. There it is, StyleNet. If I do StyleNet charge pointer, I shouldn't have to do this. And charge central. I don't think I should have to do this. Something hinky going on here. Jinkies. Yeah, I knew that wouldn't work. Because this should already be doing it. This does it recursively. This basically sets up the palette and adjusts the colors of everything in the game to the palette. And this is being run here, and it runs it recursively for everything inside of it. That should be fine. That's just changing the modulate back to the default every time. And here as well. Let's just take that out. And let's take that out, that out. And I just want to look at it and see, yeah, it's the right color. So this should be showing up as like a yellow. Right, just like my blur is. This ammo spin is that color. See, and it changes it into this yellow. That's correct. This one, not correct. And why not? Why not? There's no material. Charge central, not collect sprite. Charge central has no material. Charge pointer has no material. I wonder if this tween is being used anywhere. Yep. Nope, that's a different tween. Light tween, tween, tween. I think I can delete that. I don't think that's being used. That one is. I don't think I see audio tween anywhere. Audio tween doesn't look like it's being used either. I'm getting on a rabbit hole here. Going down a rabbit hole. What's the name of this tool to share scripts? You found it so interesting. Is it built in Godot? Ciao, Raphael. I'm not sure what you're talking about. I'm not sure what you're talking about. Looks like my OBS integration thing is not working right. Yeah, it's hung. Places, games, Twitch, no. Gravity OBS, build. Let's try that again. There we go. There you go, Sesh. No people cubes. Yeah, you guys will have to talk to get the people cubes back. Quick, somebody say something. You get the orange cube. Hey, there it is. Everything is possible, but nothing ever works. Everything's on fire. Nothing works. How long have we been streaming? Is it a break time yet? No. It's only 8. Well, I mean, we've been going for an hour and a half. Let's take a break. Let's sing a song. stars, look how they shine for you. And everything you do, yeah, they were all yellow. I came along, I wrote a song for you. And all the things you do, and it was called yellow. So then I took my turn. Oh, what a thing to have done. And it was all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. You know, I love you so. I'm singing this too slow. You know, I love you so. You know, I love you so. I swam across, I jumped across for you. Oh, what a thing to do. 'Cause you were all yellow. Your skin, oh yeah, your skin and bones turn into something beautiful. And you know, for you I bleed myself dry. For you I bleed myself dry. It's true. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look how they shine for you. Look at the stars, look how they shine for you. And all the things that you do. I like the electric, it's fun. But I just feel a little more comfortable playing this thing. Slip inside the eye of your mind. Don't you know you might find a better place to play? You said that you'd never been, but all the things that you've seen slowly fade away. So I start a revolution from my bed. 'Cause you said the brains I had went to my head. Step outside, the summertime's in bloom. Stand up beside the fireplace. Take that look from off your face. 'Cause you ain't never gonna burn my heart out. So Sally can wait
knows it's too late as she's walking on by. Her soul slides away, but don't look back in anger. Don't look back in anger. I heard you say. At least not today. Let's do one more. Oh God, what is it called? I'm searching for a song by a group called Iron and Wine. Here it is. It's called Naked as We Came. And you play it in drop D. She says, wake up, it's no use pretending. I'll keep stealing, breathing her. Birds are leaving over autumn's ending. One of us will die inside these arms. Eyes wide open, naked as we came. One will spread our ashes round the yard. She says, if I leave before you, darling, don't you waste me in the ground. I lay smiling like our sleeping children. One of us will die inside these arms. Eyes wide open, naked as we came. One will spread our ashes round the yard. Naked as We Came by Iron and Wine. The music video for that is gorgeous, and if you haven't seen it, you should go see it. Go right now. Go right now. I'll wait. Da 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 da. Ba-da-ba-ba. Oh yeah, Don't Look Back in Anger by Oasis. I didn't introduce them because I just assume everybody knows.
when you're listening to Oasis's back catalog, go listen to one of their live concerts on Spotify. I think they have one from, I want to say, Wembley. It's fantastic. It's the best version of that song. What's it called? Don't Look Back in Anger. Can I just see the songs? Live at Wembley Stadium. This is the one. Listen to this version. Don't Look Back in Anger, live at Wembley Stadium. It's... You feel like you're there. It's great. I wish I was there. Thank you, sir. All right. I've got my posture fixed. I've got my hydration fixed. I've got my guitar playing out of the way. I have no more reasons to procrastinate. Nothing to do but to do it now. Let me just refresh my memory on what we're doing. How about that? This glow motherfucking thing. All right. You can tell how frustrated I get by how much more I swear. I don't usually... I swear more as I get more frustrated. That's common, right? That's normal. Oh, wait. Undo. Let's do this. Let's try white on that. And this on that. And... What are you doing over there? It didn't change.